Welcome to our guide on how to turn on your active status on Snapchat. Let's explore the steps to enable the activity indicator and let your friends know when you're online. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon, located in the top left corner of the screen to access your profile settings. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to enter the settings menu. Scroll down to locate the Privacy Control section within the settings. Within the Privacy Control section, find and tap on Activity Indicator to access the setting that displays your active status to others. Simply toggle on the Activity Indicator option to turn on your active status on Snapchat. This action will enable the feature that shows when you are currently active on the app to your friends and contacts. By following these steps, you can let your friends know when you're online and available to chat or interact on Snapchat. Enhance your social connections and stay connected with your network through real-time activity updates. Take advantage of the active status feature on Snapchat to engage with your friends and maintain active communication within the app. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your Snapchat experience and make the most out of its features.